presenting to you Manwa Lage live and exclusive.
A very good evening. Let's see hands in there, everybody. Come on.
Check.
Thank you. And put your hands together for Shillong Chembakoi, everybody.
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना भाए ना भाए ना भाए छावरे।
मन के धागे मन के धागे मन के धागे धागे पे सावरे धागे पे सावरे है लिखा मैंने तेरा ही तेरा ही तेरा ही तू नाम रे। कैसे कैसे बोले तेरे नैन बोले बोली जाने क्यों मैं डोली ऐसा लगे तेरी होली में तू मेरा
तूने बात खोली कच्चे धागों में पिरोली, बातों की रंगोली से न खेलूं ऐसे होली में ना तेरा।
कैसे कहता होगा क्यों ना तुझे मैं ही जीतूं।
खुले ख्वाबों में जीते जीते बाबरे।
मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे लागे रे सावरे लिख रहूं जिया का ये गाँव रे। ना 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 रहूं मैं तेरे नैनों की छावरे।
कि भाइया जोड़ियां है ना आसमान में बनती है,
So true.
रब बनाता है। जैसे जैसे शाहरुख खान और
गौरी.
एग्जैक्टली यार वो, लेकिन वो जोड़ी अलग हो गई यार, वो प्यार वाली जोड़ी हो गई। मैं कौन सी जोड़ी की बात कर रहा हूं? एक्टर और प्लेबैक सिंगर की जोड़ी की। यानी इन दोनों की जोड़ी भी बहुत मायने रखती है ना।
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल.
यानी शाहरुख खान की पर्सनालिटी के साथ उनकी दमदार वॉइस, यानी कि अपने सुखी पाजी सुखविंदर सिंह। अब वो आपका दर्दे डिस्को हो, चक दे हो, या फिर छैया छैया छैया, कोई भी गाना हो यार, जब ये दोनों साथ में आते हैं ना, चार्ट बास्टर्स पढ़ते चले जाते हैं, ऊपर ही ऊपर, ऊपर ही ऊपर।
सुपर सेंसेशनल जोड़ी का अगला मैजिक एंड नंबर दैट्स गोना रूल योर म्यूजिक प्लेयर फॉरएवर, सटकली। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज वेलकम अपना गबरू जवान सुखविंदर सिंह।
Only performing for you guys on Satakle!
Come on!
बारी मिलनी थी मिली एक बारी, जिंदगी है जैसे कोई लड़की कमारी, पटी ही ना यारो बड़ी लाइन मारी है, अब लग रहा है ये लड़की अटकली। सटकली सटकली ओ थोड़ी सटकली, बदले जो किस्मत के ये तारे, सटकली रे सटकली, सकल अकल सटकली, बाबा जी बाबा जी बाबा। और ये कोई अपनी, और जैसे जी में आए जिले तरसना, ना 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 पहले भी ख्वाब सी, उर्दू किताब सी, मुश्किल जवाब सी, महंगी शराब सी, एक घूंट में ही ये सारे खटक लिए। सटकली ओ थोड़ी सटकली, बदले जो किस्मत के ये तारे, सटकली रे सटकली, सकल अकल सटकली, बाबा जी बाबा जी बाबा रे। सटकली रे सटकली ओ थोड़ी सटकली, बदले जो किस्मत के ये तारे, सटकली रे सटकली, सकल अकल सटकली, बाबा जी बाबा रे। आधी आधी मिट्टी है बाकी है करारी, जिंदगी है जैसे कोई लड़की का बारी, हो पटी ही ना यारो हो बड़ी लाइन मारी, हो अब लग रहा है ये लड़की अटकली। सटकली ओ थोड़ी सटकली, बदले जो किस्मत के ये तारे, सटकली रे सटकली, सकल अकल सटकली, बाबा जी बाबा रे। सटकली रे सटकली ओ थोड़ी थोड़ी सटकली, बदले जो किस्मत के ये तारे, सटकली रे सटकली, सकल अकल सटकली, बाबा जी बाबा रे। राधे राधे बोलो जय कन्हैया लाल की, राधे राधे बोलो जय कन्हैया लाल की, राधे राधे बोलो जय कन्हैया लाल की, राधे राधे बोलो जय कन्हैया लाल की।
राधे राधे बोलो जय कन्हैया लाल की। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sukhwinder Singh.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the girl who sung this lovely, lovely song. Lovely. Can we please hear it for her, guys? Come on. यार जब तक आप लोगों की आवाज नहीं आएगी, no performance is going to go on. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Hacia she comenzó otra vez, ya pasó un brillo rojo y una sed. Hacia she comenzó तेरे नाल सजना वे मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे नाल सजना वे मेरा दिल धड़के, मेरा
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। हम यारबाज, हम जानसाज, हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Ladies and gentlemen, ये है आपके इंडिया वाले। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फिर से गाइस, कम ऑन।
So I'm going to show you a bigger magic.
Yeah?
I'm going to say one word
Okay.
and you'll see the biggest magic on the stage today.
एक word.
एक word यार, मेरा एक word ही काफी है.
क्या बात?
And the word is action.
यार तालियां बजाओ।
देखा? Keelan, can you do better magic than this?
I would love to try.
I doubt that anyone can be more magical than my star cast.
Absolutely. I'll give it a go though. but-
Especially Vivan because he keeps doing the disappearing act. Boman, you heard what I said? No, darling, I was talking about your nose.
Is it okay if I come in between you two lovely people here? Is that okay? Come in between here, like, so you can see. What I'm going to ask,
लड़कियों के साथ चांस मत मार।
what I'm going to ask you to do. What I have here is a digital vault. Okay, and inside this digital vault, I'm just going to open up the digital vault, and inside is something quite glamorous. Oh, it's actually a tennis ball. Okay, it's not too glamorous, but it might be more impressive if I just reach in there, grab it out into reality. Now,
Can you get a diamond out from there?
a diamond.
Yeah.
What would you? Is there anything you would want in particular? What you might want is perhaps let's look for perhaps a pack of cards. So let's open up the digital vault, and hopefully I have a digital pack of cards in there. Let's have a look. Let's just put it down, and then let me just reach in there and grab out the cards into reality.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the cards for another digital trick, if that's okay. Is that okay? Perfect. Well, I'm going to come back over here. Would you mind holding the iPad for me? And I'm going to take the cards, and I'd like you to select a card for me. Is that possible? Yeah. Okay, they're all different. You can see they're all different. And I'm going to ask you just to shout stop. So I'm going to flick through the cards like this, and whenever you want, you just shout stop. Okay, here goes. Ready, go. Stop! Perfect. I think we
Abhishek,
heard
the
that.
traffic has stopped outside.
Okay, we don't want to take the one we can see, which is the two of clubs. Take the one I can't see. Have a look at it. Don't show me. I'll turn away.
हमको दिखाओ, हमको दिखाओ.
Okay.
No,
Oh.
wait.
I won't want to cheat. Okay, and could you place it back for me? Perfect. Now could you say a number between 1 and 10? Any number between 1 and 10? Say it out loud.
Not shout, no?
Not shout.
Yeah, I can count. 7.
7. Okay, your card will come flying out this pack. Spin 7 times, and I'm going to attempt to catch it. There we are. There we are. And in living color, is that your card?
No.
It really isn't? Oh.
No.
Oh, okay. I'll just leave that sticking out there then. And I said I'm a digital magician, so I'm going to utilize the iPad to the tablet for this. Yeah, the Lenovo tablet. Here it goes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw something on here. I need you to stare at it for me. Okay.
All right.
Let me just have a look at that. Okay, you're not too impressed, I can tell.
My children draw better than this. Huh?
Do they? Okay. How about that? Okay, still not too impressed. Okay, you want a card, you want a playing card, and you want the right card. So, in a loud, clear voice, is that the card you're thinking of?
No! You're a really bad magician.
I think I better go back to the UK. All right, but before I do, let me just try and
We
add
want our
these
money
lines
back.
here all the way down, then across. So now it looks like a box of cards, a whole pack of cards, like this. So if you actually take the cards, have a little look, have a little watch, you get a little wave. If you get a little wave, you should find that one card starts to rise out of the pack. Is that your card? And do you remember that one I got wrong all that time ago? Actually turns into your card. And it's got, it's the King of Hearts. So obviously this needs to go to the King of Bollywood, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. There you go. And of course, I wouldn't leave the leading lady out. So of course I
Aman,
need
your turn, your
I
turn.
need the lead. So what I need to do, we go back to the digital vault. We'll open up the digital vault and we have a nice flower for you. But obviously it's a digital flower, which is obviously no good for the leading lady. So perhaps it would be better if we take it out there. Oh, look at that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Would you like to see one more? Have you got time for one more?
Okay, would you like to see one more, guys?
Yeah. Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to come over here and go to Google, and let's say we type in, obviously, Happy New Year movie, and click search. Now, I suggest you do this at home, because if you want to wear something like, let's say, for example, what Cheryl's wearing, let's go to images, and let's choose an image that we like. For example, this one. Let's enlarge the poster up, so to there. You can see? Okay. What's quite nice is if you zoom in to the poster, what you can do, and try this at home, go to Google, type it in, type the poster in, you can just pull it straight out into reality. Which, obviously, I think it looks better on Sharu than it does on me, but it's worth doing, you know. Okay. Now,
But Keelan, it's a music launch. Where's the CD?
it's a CD, okay. Well, this is the way a digital magician would do a music launch. So I need some help of some assistants, and I think they're coming in here. Have you got some assistants coming in? There we go. There we go. So hopefully on here, we'll see the CD appear. And what would be quite nice is if I was a digital magician, what I could do is reach in and then hopefully pull it straight out into reality. But that's the way a digital magician would do it.
इतनी बड़ी picture और इतनी छोटी CD.
Oh,
Keelan, I think our movie is a little bigger than this.
oh, is it?
Yeah, we need a bigger launch.
Like a Bollywood launch?
Yeah. So
Oh.
why don't you go and sit there and I'm going to show you some magic now.
I would like to see that.
Yeah.
You can keep that.
No, complimentary from me.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So guys, आ जाओ. Now as the Moranis call it the hurdle, let's do the hurdle around the hurdle. Okay, so we are going to show you the CD launch now. And okay.
Okay, the magic is going to begin. Farah is going to say abracadabra and release our music.
And abracadabra.
Farah कुछ हुआ नहीं. Farah कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
अरे we can't कुछ होएगा भी नहीं शाहरुख because music launch है और music directors ऊपर नहीं है.
हम तो भूल ही गए. For the greatest music director duo, our friends, and who have done some amazing magic for our films over the years. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Vishal and Shekhar.
और साथ में हमारे wow, Vishal's made his hair disappear as you all can see. And our most magical lyricist, Irshad Kamil. Irshad bhai, come up here.
Let's hear it for Irshad Bhai. Thank you, Irshad Bhai. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
और शाहरुख.
Thank you, Rashad bhai. Come on, come on. ऐसे लिरिक आपको बार बार नहीं सुनने को मिलेंगे. नॉनसेंस की नाइट. We're feeling all right.
वो विशाल और मैंने लिखे हैं.
But हम credit इन्हीं को देंगे क्योंकि we don't want to be lynched for this. Well done, Vishal and Farah. And of course, like Farah was very surreptitiously and quietly making this. Ladies and gentlemen, the company which has released our music, one of the finest companies.
और जो हमारे सब पैसे खा जाएंगे.
नहीं ऐसा मत बोल अभी public platform पे मत बोल. Here we'll be nice to. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the biggest music company in the country and one of the most wonderful people and our friend Bhushan. Can we have him here? Bhushan, where are you? Yeah. Let Devika come. Thank you, Bhushan, for standing by us always. Thank you. Thank you very much.
भूषण.
And some of the singers for the film are here, so we'd of course like them to be here because this is the music launch and this music happens, which is the first packaging of the film, the first look of the film. It's not possible without these wonderful men, women, boys and girls. So please put your hands together first for
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Sunidhi Chauhan. And next in line, I think you've already heard her tonight, the beautiful voice of the one and only Neethi.
And is Sukhvinder Paji here?
I think Sukhvinder ji दूसरे show में चले गए हैं.
I think Sukhi is going to
Thank you, Neethi.
really going to perform.
Yes, he done.
Sukhvinder.
वो दूसरे कोई show में जा चुके हैं. कहीं और perform कर रहे हैं इस
So
वक्त.
now we will see the magic.
Yes,
Can you
finally.
all make a circle around this?
Semicircle.
Semicircle around this.
Don't be silly. Some of the girls can come in. Neethi and Sunidhi can come this side. Thank you. Come here, okay.
And let the magic begin.
तुम लोग बड़े डर लग रहे हो. तुम लोग बहुत डर लग रहे हो.
कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है.
Come on.
ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना. यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले.
Thank you very much. And just to let you know, we don't have the CDs because we haven't printed them, so this is the best we can show you right now. But आप लोगों को जो चाबियां मिली हैं, उसके अंदर सारे गाने जो हैं भूषण ने करके दिए हैं. So please enjoy it and thank you everyone on stage for being so wonderful and so beautiful. And it's time we move on to the press, and I'd like to call the beautiful and the wonderful and the really, really cool MCs to announce that so that we can go off 30 seconds. थोड़ा सा हम साफ सफाई कर दें क्योंकि सिने युग ने काफ़ी सारा कचरा मचा दिया यहाँ पे. The program is produced by Cine Yug, and all of us are very thankful to all of you and to Cine Yug and everyone who's been involved with this. Thank you,
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
part of this film. Thank you very much. And हम जल्दी से मुंह हाथ धोकर थोड़े सोफे वोफे लगाकर वापस आ रहे हैं. हाँ, फोटो नहीं हुआ. फोटो अच्छा. फोटोग्राफर्स का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. चलो ओके. मगर हमारा वो सीडी नहीं आया तो पीछे.
अरे पीछे खड्डा है.
नहीं इधर. Farah and Deepika on the side. Deepika, you on this. Both. Come Abhishek.
ओके सो शाहरुख भाई हम प्रेस पे सारे सवाल छोड़े उससे पहले हमारे जितने भी फैंस हैं जो ट्विटर पे अभी पागल हुए जा रहे हैं आप सब लोगों से सवाल पूछने के लिए बहुत ही अजीबो
मैं एक सेकंड लूं before
जी,
you
बिल्कुल,
start. I'm
बिल्कुल,
sorry.
बिल्कुल.
I'm sorry.
Please, sir, please,
First, thank you for this wonderful job and being here. Because it's a music launch, there are some singers who are not present with us right now, and some who were present, but because of our nonsense memory, especially mine, I forgot to call them on stage. So first of all, I'd like to mention and thank you, Shankar, who's not here, Mr. KK, Arijit Saab, and Shreya, who's not here, and Mika. They're all part of the music that you'll hear. And we have two of them here who performed in front of you, and I'd like to call them on stage and thank them personally, which is Kanika and Dr. Zeus.
Can we hear it for them, guys?
Let's say it for them.
Kanika
Thank
and
you,
Dr.
Kanika.
Zeus,
Thank you,
ladies
Dr.
and gentlemen.
Zeus. Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely singers and the lovely voice behind the song
Thank you,
Lovely.
thank you
Can
very
we
much.
please hear it for them, guys? Come on.
Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. The song they've done in collaboration with Vishal Shekhar and Vishal Shekhar, who've added this massive number. We're not going to talk about it too much because the film is about all of us. It's not just about a song. It's not about just a moment in the film. It's all about us. But this song, we want to thank you personally for doing this, for Vishal Shekhar and us. Thank you very much, both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bless you both.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Okay, moving ahead. Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फिर से for Dr. Zeus and Kanika, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, शाहरुख भाई अगर अब आपकी इजाजत हो तो
Go for it now.
Go for it, sir.
सर एक्चुअली जब से
हाँ मैं कह रहा था कि बहुत सारे अजीबो गरीब सवाल आ रहे हैं. I'm so sorry. सबसे बहुत ही अजीब सवाल मुझे लगा कि आप अपने सर में कौन सा तेल लगाते हैं कि आज भी आपके बाल इतने घने हैं.
ये सच में पूछा है सर
ये सच्ची में किसी ने पूछा ये कि आपके बाल आज भी इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं? मतलब हम 4 लोगों के बाल मिला के आपके अकेले के इतने घने हैं.
बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं तुम 4 लोगों की मिलाकर मुझसे कम ही रहेंगी दोस्त. बट ये सैमसन डिलाइला वाली बात है. मेरे बालों में मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है. ना मैं शैम्पू यूज करता हूँ ना मैं कोई भी ऐसा पदार्थ यूज नहीं करता हूँ जो आर्टिफिशियल होता है. सिर्फ पानी, सिर्फ वाटर. एंड अगर तुम लोग भी उससे धोगे और इतना खड़ा नहीं करोगे ना ऊपर ऐसे बाल के ऊपर तो ठीक ठाक रहेंगे.
ना करो तो ऐसे ही बैठ जाते हैं, सोते हुए लगते हैं सब. खैर एनीवेज हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे एक्चुअल सवालों की तरफ. पहला सवाल.
हाँ सर एक्चुअली हमारे पास इतने सारे सवाल आए जिनका जवाब देना पॉसिबल नहीं, लेकिन हमने कुछ सवाल सिलेक्ट किए. और पहला सवाल है रीम का, जो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों के हिसाब से पूरी कास्ट ऑफ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर में से सबसे बेस्ट सिंगर कौन?
बेस्ट सिंगर.
My vote goes to Boman and Abhishek.
तो यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉ हो गया है.
Boman and Abhishek.
Yeah.
we will compete and finalize
अभी
this
final कर सकते हैं,
and जितनी लाउड क्लैप्स होंगी उसके हिसाब से विनर आज डिसाइड होगा.
बिल्कुल सर. अभी क्या अभी
कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप दोनों?
बमन
एज बिफोर ब्यूटी.
बमन भजन बहुत अच्छे गाते हैं.
तो कौन सा गाना गाएंगे आप? अभिषेक, you choose whichever you want.
You know only one song.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Okay.
We are the world.
We are the world. हिंदी का हमारे पिक्चर गाना गा दे कोई. म्यूजिक लॉन्च है हमारा गा दे.
आपकी फिल्म का कोई गाना.
मनवा लागे.
Because it's a nonsense key night. I'm
Which song do you
feeling
wanna sing?
alright because it's a nonsense key night. I'm feeling alright because it's a nonsense key night. Oh monkey, what knows
Flavor of ginger, flavor of ginger in the jungle. Peacock is dancing. Who has seen her? Seen
I
her?
take
Seen
my
her? Seen her?
words
Seen her?
back. They are
Seen
both
her?
bad.
Bowman's bit.
Boman, yes sir.
Who's his stick?
Whichever song.
Who's his stick?
Who's his stick?
His is buffalo.
Who's his stick? His is buffalo. Who's his stick? His is buffalo.
Just for all it means, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस.
So you decide who's the winner. Your vote goes. Okay.
Decision
I think-
Everyone for Boman Irani.
Okay, can we hear it from the audiences? मैं
Okay.
आप लोगों के हिसाब से बमन ईरानी सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाओ. Who do you think was Boman sir better? Or do you think Abhishek was better?
बताइए अभिषेक. Oh, so we have a clear winner here.
Well, superb, sir. Thank you so much. Such great voices, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for all of them. Moving ahead to our next question, which is for the very beautiful and the very
Thank you.
The very vivacious and
Thank
I
you.
think the most beautiful ever I've ever.
Thank you very much.
सोनू के बारे में तू इतनी चीजें बोल रहा है कैसा
कितनी
लग
सोनू
रहा
की तारीफ करेगा तू?
जी नहीं शाहरुख भाई अब it's for Deepika ji.
कितना शर्मा रहा है
मैं
कितना शर्मा रहा
I know इनको देख के शर्म निकल जाती है. Well, आपके लिए सवाल है. All the way from India, from Florida, इलियाना का. इलियाना ये पूछती है कि पूरी फिल्म में 5 हीरोज हैं और आप एक अकेली लीडिंग लेडी है. तो आपको कैसा लगा इन 5 हीरोज के साथ काम करके?
In fact, we were just discussing that backstage.
Really?
Just before we walked on, he said, "You must be loving it, na, that you're the only woman and you're surrounded by 5 handsome hunks."
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I was telling him that it makes me feel really special. It makes me feel like they've taken such good care of me. They've always like been so protective and so caring and like always put me first before anything else.
अच्छा ये सच्ची जवाब है क्योंकि जहाँ तक हमने सुना है अभिषेक इज अ ब्रैट और वो किसी का ख्याल नहीं रखते. ही ओनली पुल्स प्रैंक्स. ये बात सच है कि नहीं? वो सिर्फ मस्ती करते थे.
I want to clear this. You know, अभिषेक जो हैं
हाँ जी, सबसे मस्ती
वो
हो रहे हैं.
make sure करते हैं कि दीपिका को हमेशा खाना मिलता रहे. He's our
And
main
vice
chef
versa,
and vice
okay?
versa.
Okay.
He's the head of food and catering.
And I'm head of feeding.
And feeding. She feeds. सोनू हमारे बॉडीगार्ड है. दीपिका को कोई देख नहीं सकता.
अच्छा
हम लोग भी जो हैं डार्क ग्लासेस पहन कर आते हैं. आपने देखा होगा जब हम जा रहे थे तो बोमन झोली चुके हैं. उनके दुपट्टे को उठाकर चल रहे थे कि उनके पैर में ना आ जाए.
अच्छा
He's a man Friday. And Vivan is the jester. He's the punching bag. जब भी दीपिका गुस्सा होती हैं अपनी किसी चीज पर वो विवान को बुलाकर मारती हैं. मेरी वो फिल्म का ना वो डायलॉग अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझको. विवान वहाँ पे आ जाता है. मुझे और फारा को वो कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमारे साथ शुरुआत थी तो हमको प्यार ही करती है वो. हम दोनों को कुछ नहीं कहती.
Most of the time I used to cut Deepika's scene, so I got to spend time with the 5 boys.
ये हुई ना बात. एक बार जोरदार तालियां गाइस. Come on. For the whole cast of Happy New Year. And अब हम ज़्यादा सवाल ना करते हुए आप लोगों के पास हमारी कास्ट एंड द स्टेज इज ऑल योर्स लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. आपके सवाल पूछ सकते हैं आप.
हेलो हाय हेलो खान साहब आलोक दिस साइड फ्रॉम OFM. आपके
Hello Alok.
हाँ
Always Alok first.
क्लास में फर्स्ट आ जाता हूँ. खान साहब ट्रेलर लॉन्च भी था, काफ़ी वाहवाही हुई, हर तरफ तालियां बजी, हिट्स आए. आज ये बेहतरीन सा लॉन्च था. किसका दिमाग था ये, किसके दिमाग की उपज थी कि इतना ग्रैंड लॉन्च होने वाला है? इवन पूरा विश्व देख रहा है आज का म्यूजिक लॉन्च.
आई थिंक जब बहुत सारे लोग जैसे हम सब यहाँ पर हैं और टीम भी है जो बैक स्टेज है, सब इकट्ठे होते हैं, एकत्रित होते हैं एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए, तो एक खुशी का माहौल होता है. And every evening when we have a function like this, whether it was the trailer launch or the music launch, let me honestly tell you, हम 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि फिल्म हमारे हाथ से अब जा रही है, आप लोगों के पास आ रही है.
I am very sad today. I'm going to cry
she's been
any
telling
minute.
कि मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे, मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे. So it's the celebration of what we've done for 2 years. The process has been most beautiful, and we try to actually, let me be honest, we are all together. It is for all of us to have a good evening. And it is for all of us to let go of something which is very special to us. फिल्म कैसी होगी, कहाँ जाएगी, वो अल्लाह मियाँ के हाथ में and audience के हाथ में. But we feel that every aspect of this film will just go out and be nice. So I want to thank our producers, Kareem and Karuna, who worked very hard for this. Cineyog, everyone. You know, every time we just want to celebrate letting
our
out a little
digital
bit of our
team.
film. And our digital team, Manish and all who worked this out.
Our PR Mandvi.
सारे thank कर ले अभी.
And I want to thank Shahrukh because really when I asked him कि हम इतनी publicity हमें करने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, he said ज़रूरत नहीं है, but we want to do it from our heart so we get more and more occasions to be together and to celebrate this movie together. So we are doing it because we want to be together.
एंड खान साहब अभी टूर भी आपका स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और जब चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का म्यूजिक लॉन्च था तो आपने गीत गाया था तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू ना. तो आज भी अगर 2 लाइनों से आगाज़ कर दें तो ये कारवां आगे बढ़ जाए.
मैं मन वाला आगे लड़की की तरह गाना चाहूँगा. I can't sing. I will not sing. वो क्या लाइन है हमारी जो इंडिया वाले से पहले? हाँ. How does it start? कामिल साहब ने लिखा है बहुत खूबसूरत. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज ही दंगा रहता है, जहां रोज रोज अखबारों में स्कैमों का पंगा रहता है, जहां आम आदमी सड़कों पर आधा सा नंगा रहता है। इस हाल में भी, इस दौर में भी हर दिल में तिरंगा रहता है। इसका रैप वर्जन फिल्म की रिलीज पर मैं करूंगा। हम इस देश के वासी हैं जहां रोज okay, sorry, okay.
Good evening. Hi, I'm Rachna. Work with 9XM. Okay. My
पास
question.
रखो, थोड़ा पास रखो।
और
तुम लोग क्या
पास,
सीन कर रहे हो
और
क्या?
पास, और पास।
नहीं, I can't take it closer.
I was gonna say जैसे केला खाते हैं, but then you'll think I'm being cheap.
Okay. You know, when that visual of you came on screen with your backs all visible, there were too many oohs and ahs and all sorts of sounds that went on. Was it difficult putting that body together? Because, you know, you also went through an injury while you were filming and things like that. Was it difficult putting that kind of a body together after that?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. All of them know here that I'm not a big eater. I like to be healthy. I like to play games. And मैं कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं करूँगा कि ऐसा मेहनत किया और 2.5 दिन रात भर और दिन भर और ऐसा खाना खाया. You know, you just be regularly fit, and then yes, of course, when you have special ladies like Deepika and Farah, and you know, they appreciate in a sweet way, a nice way.
I
and
don't
kind way.
appreciate in a sweet way.
Okay, I didn't want to bring that cheap aspect of your lecherousness, but yeah, I mean, really, I'm very shy about this. This is good. I just do it because I'm required to do in a film, but besides that, nothing. मतलब ऐसा 40-50 दिन में हो जाता है अगर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करो तो. But if you're with Deepika and Abhishek, and if they're feeding you, you can't have abs like this. Let me make this very clear.
Hi, Bharti.
Hi, Farah. Well, congratulations to all of you for a spectacular launch. Wanted to ask you, you worked with Nasir in your first directorial film.
Yes.
You've got Vivan now.
Yes.
What was it like? Did you see a little bit of the father and the son?
I have taken out, but Nasir bullied me a lot when we were shooting Mehuna. Because it was my first film, so he used to bully me a lot. Let's say I've taken out all that bhadas on Vivan this time. No, but really, they are completely different people. I mean, I also worked with Nasir when he was much senior, and this is Vivan's second movie. And he's just such a wonderfully clean-hearted and good boy. I don't think he has one negative thought in his head. I don't think he has dialogues in his head also when he comes on set. But but I think it was for me, I mean, of course, working with Nasir was great. But I think really, I was happier working with Vivan.
Hello, Shahrukh.
Vivan!
Hi. Congratulations. Really liked the Radhe Radhe song the most.
Thank you.
And I think it'll do very well in the Garba season.
In the where?
The Garba season.
In the Garba season, okay.
Not Dandiya, Garba.
When is Garba season? We better release that song next.
So your association with Sukhwinder dates right back from Chaiya Chaiya, and I think it's a 100% record because this song should also do really well. So could you talk something about that? Hole Hole, Chaiya Chaiya, Darde Disco, now this.
More than that, I'd like to talk about Radhe Radhe. I think Sukhwinder Saab is a very special singer. We all love him. I think he's got a very special voice. I saw him recording. I normally don't go for recordings. I'm musically tone deaf. One night, for Chalte Chalte, I think he was singing a song. One of the few singers I've seen who sings the song in one go. Or ऐसा mic के सामने, ऐसा आगे पीछे. He's an amazing performer, amazing singer. And Radhe Radhe is basically Abhishek's song, his introduction. And has a very special place in the film because all of us, for the first time in the film, kind of come together and win in our lives. So it's an amazing, celebrative, happy song, and I think nobody better than Sukhwinder Saab. And yes, I'll say it again, whether it's Chaiya Chaiya, whether it is Kuch Kariye, Darde Disco. I mean, he's
completely mad, and which is why I love using him. And like Shahrukh said, one of the few singers I actually go for the recording, and I'm there throughout the whole day because he goes completely mad while singing, and he does things to the song that you can't record, like you can't compose it. He just does it.
And not just for our songs. I think any song that Sukhwinder Saab sings, it can't go wrong. He's fantastic because he does it from the heart.
Great. Awesome.
मेरा सवाल है फराह खान से
जी।
जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन से। आप एक कामयाब डायरेक्टर है, फिर भी आप सुपरस्टार को लेकर फिल्म बनाते हो, आप नए को लेकर फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनाते?
अरे ये कौन, विवान नया ही है भाई, जायद खान भी नया था, अमृता राव भी, बॉमन भी नया ही
उसमें
है।
भी शाहरुख खान था।
हाँ
हाँ बस मैं ही पुराना हूँ।
जब मैंने इनके साथ काम किया था, ये भी दीपिका नहीं थी फर्स्ट मूवी, भूल गए आप, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार।
और अगर करती है तो ऐसी की तैसी तेरी क्यों ना करे यार।
होंगे न्यू कमर्स तुम्हारे पास, मेरे पास शाहरुख खान है।
Hi, Shahrukh. Hi, Shahrukh. Lipika here. You're proceeding for your show, Slam show. So, क्या उसमें कौन से dances करने वाले? Are you beginning with Happy New Year and other films also?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने सब ने डिसाइड किया है कि हम सारी टीम जा रही है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की, तो हम उसमें से 2-3 गाने ज़रूर करेंगे। आई थिंक लवली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है, आई थिंक हमारा इंडिया वाले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है, मन वाला आगे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अपना राधे राधे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको करेंगे। लेकिन वर्ल्ड टूर है और हम चाहेंगे कि जितने भी एक्टर्स यहाँ पर हैं उनके सबसे फेमस गाने, सबसे अच्छे गाने हम शोकेस करें कि लोगों को एंटरटेनमेंट मिले। इट्स नॉट अ सेल्फिश शो फॉर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, but it just happens to be the Happy New Year team, which is, as a matter of fact, we are going to do the Dhoom song also. And अगर मुझे दीपिका अलाउ करेगी तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड भी करूँगा मैं, थोड़ा सा मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ तो if she, I've been requesting her, allow me to do it. So we'll do all the songs that all of us have done because we are a team which is very happy, wanting to be part of each other's lives, each other's profession, each other's high points. And I think that's why the tour is going to be a very happy one. It's not a tour to take Happy New Year forward. It's a tour where the Happy New Year team is coming and showcasing what they've done for the last 5, 6, 7 years, since whenever we
Don't
have
forget
been on a world
Baman
tour.
and me also performing our love song.
And Baman and Farah, let me tell you, सबसे special जो item है, 6-pack ऐप के साथ दर्द डिस्को आप देखने को आपको मिलेगा, जो जिंदगी में एक ही बार देखने को मिलेगा, उसके बाद शायद आप देखना चाहें, but that's the main throw of this show is that.
Abhishek, since Shahrukh said that all the actors will be dancing on their favorite numbers, will you choose any of your favorite number for your Pa?
For my? From Pa?
Daddy, for your...
For my...
Amit Ji.
No, but I'm going on the tour. No, he's not.
Amit Ji's film.
I didn't understand the question, sorry.
From Amit Ji's film.
Am I going to do any of Dad's songs?
Yeah.
No, sorry. मेरे भी 1-2 गाने हैं, वही कर लूँगा मैं, sorry. वही करना पड़ेगा.
Farah, back to that question, why Happy New Year was delayed by 10 years?
Yeah, Jyoti, I don't know. So many things happened after Main Hoon Na. I got married, then I wrote some other version of it, and we didn't like it. So then we made Om Shanti Om. After that, I had children. So it just went on. I think a movie has its destiny and a time, and only when that time comes, the movie gets made. And I'm glad that it's being made today because I don't think 10 years ago it would have been made on this scale, with this grandeur, with the kind of production value that Shah Rukh's Red Chillies has put in it. So I think this is the right time for Happy New Year to come out.
Farah, tell the truth, actually, at that time Vivan was not born.
Yes, that too.
And Vivan wasn't born and Baman wasn't young enough that time, so we were just waiting for him to.
Yeah.
Zar, do you have a question? You have a question. What is
yeah,
it?
please ask him. Matlab, why are we launching it? Why didn't we just make the movie and shut up?
What is it, Shivan?
Why couldn't you just make the movie?
That's not my son, just being clear. He knows his mother made the movie. Shivan, I'll talk to you at home. Okay.
Deepika, hi, this is Sohail here, on your right. आपकी पिछली फिल्म थी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में एक डायलॉग काफ़ी हाईलाइट हुआ था कि कहाँ से लाई ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी यूनिट्स पे, तो इस फिल्म में भी एक डायलॉग है कि इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस, यू नो दैट, कुड यू जस्ट, लगता है इट विल बी हाईलाइट ऑफ द फिल्म, और कुड यू से द डायलॉग प्लीज?
The which one? Art hai art. इजी लगता है मोहिनी का डांस? इजी नहीं है, डांस एक पूजा है, डांस एक आर्ट है, आर्ट.
And your line. Abhishek's line after that.
हाँ तो मैंने कब बोला नो है? वही है ना डायलॉग? हाँ जी? इंग्लिश ये जी. वो भी सुनना चाहेंगे आप? अच्छा. हमारे YouTube के काफी हिट्स हैं. उसमें जाके क्लिक कीजिए, लाइक प्रेस करिए, वो दिख जाएगा आपको. जितने भी बार आपको चाहे वो सुन सकते हैं आप कि इंग्लिश 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 इंग्लिश. हाँ जी. हाँ जी, मुझे भी बहुत याद आती है उनकी. वो पीछे वाले स्टूडियो में केबीसी की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद तुरंत जाके उनसे पूछूंगा क्या मैं आपका एक गाना परफॉर्म कर सकूं और क्या मैं आपका जो डायलॉग है आई कैन वॉक इंग्लिश आई कैन टॉक इंग्लिश, वो प्लीज़. थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने मेरे पूज्य पिताजी का याद मुझे दिला दिया फिर से. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Hi Farah, this is Faridun from Bollywood Hungama. There are reports that you have said that you won't be choreographing after that. You're one of the finest choreographers that we have. So is it true? And
Yes.
if you have to rate all your star cast on a scale of 1 to 10, how will you rate them as dancers?
As dancers? yes, Deepika is the best dancer. तूने ऐसे किया ना, ऐसे मेरे को बोलने के लिए. You just coughing. And Shahrukh is also the best
And
dancer.
split in a sari, huh?
1 to 10, please, on a scale of 1
1
to
to 10. Ma- Nobody can do what Vivan does.
I can't beat Vivan.
Oh!
See, you all are taking advantage.
See, Faridun.
You're in pants. This is not fair.
Deepika, come on, baby.
In a sari, what?
No, baby, do something. Come on. Both of us will do. Come. Easy
Dum
लगता है.
tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak dum tak tak dum dum tak. Yeah. So you know,
Faridun.
Deepika is not the best dancer in this film, and neither is Farah.
I rate all of them 10 because my movie is about the world's worst dancers.
Last two questions, please.
नमस्कार सर, मैडम, जितने भी लोग हैं, मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस. पहली बात, शाहरुख भाई, दिल्ली से आया हूँ, लकी फ्रॉम OFM. तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड का आपने जिक्र किया अभी, तो मैं कहूँ जितनी भी लड़कियाँ दिल्ली में हैं सब अपने आप को आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड मानती हैं. तो सबकी तरफ से एक थैंक्स फराह मैम को, क्योंकि 2 बार तसल्ली बख्श एब्स जो दिखाई हैं शाहरुख भाई की आपने दिखाई हैं. तो एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, वो अब टोटल हैं कितनी? मतलब
देखो, एक्चुअली 10 हैं, लेकिन हम 8 बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम फिर क्या बोलेंगे, 12 तो नहीं बोल सकते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हम 10 बोलेंगे.
और मेरे एक पुरानी फिल्म थी जो फारा ने पहला मेरा गाना किया था, कभी हाँ कभी ना. उसमें लाइन थी, हर किसी ने मेरे ऐप देखे, हुनर को ना देखा.
एक और चीज फराह मैम, ये मूवी इज कॉल्ड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Yes.
सो डोंट यू थिंक न्यू ईयर वुड हैव बीन द एप्ट टाइम टू रिलीज?
Darling, whenever we release a movie, it'll be a happy new year.
1000 crore box office report. Thank you so much. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Shahrukh sir.
Yeah. She's not like she is. She is my children.
Children are here. We should not discuss her other babies in front of her babies right now.
Deepika cannot be Farah's baby because Deepika has not come in triplet.
Shahrukh sir, you know, these days marketing a film is very important, and marketing a film is very important, and you are known to be a marketing genius. You come up with different strategies every time. How did the entire slam tour, this world tour, fall in place with the film?
Tell me a name, young man.
Nayandeep.
Nayan.
Oh, Nayandeep. तू
Nayan,
ही
I'm
है
not
जो
a-
फोन करता है मुझे.
Oh. फारा, तेरे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे, सब बातें मत expose कर उनके सामने. Nayan, I'm not a marketing genius. You know, films take their own life. I find it redundant to be talking about marketing. I have these wonderful people here, Vivan, Boman, Farah, Deepika, Abhishek, Sonu, Jaguda, who's not here, and so many other people. We enjoy the process of filmmaking, and marketing is about informing people. And when you have a set of, a team which becomes so happy doing the film, whichever film that I've done, whichever film, especially this film, because we're such a, like a family, the marketing keeps happening. So there's no new idea, new thought. We just am actually like what we told in the beginning, that we feel bad that we are not getting enough time to spend together after the last 1.5 years. So whatever little moment we get, whatever chance we get, all of us are extremely busy. The slam tour, I don't even think most of us are not very, very prepared also. We are still working on it. We are trying our best. I think it's just the happiness of being together. We celebrate that. And I always say this, whether people believe it or not, all of us are together in this. I want you guys to come down, have an evening where, of course, you're going to talk about my film, you're going to talk about all the actors, whatever's happening in the film, and inshallah, it'll do well. But if you have a good evening of entertainment together, because we all love being part of films. So marketing and all the
And
details
Nayan, let
of
me
it,
tell
I
you,
don't
every
understand.
time we think of how to promote the movie, Shahrukh always says that we have to make sure that y'all have to have a good time. It should not be just another evening for y'all also. So a lot of thought goes in entertaining y'all when y'all come to do for our promotions.
Yeah, there's a press conference on this. I think ZTV is taking us around the whole country, and we're all going to perform, and it's going to be a different kind of city visitation, completely different from what we've done, because I think we need to make it better, more entertaining, and more happy. Because, you know, when I've been to Baroda, we went for Chennai, for all the films we've been, there are lakhs of people who come, wait from 2 in the afternoon for 6 o'clock for 10 minutes of spending time with us in a bad echoing mall. The mall is beautiful, the sound, acoustics are not nice. So we just decided we'll all go, make that extra effort, spend 4 hours rehearsing in a place which is more in tune with performances, and perform for people for a couple of hours and make them feel happy in every city. You know, that's what we do. We are entertainers, we are performers, we want everyone to be happy. Now, if that becomes marketing, by some people, good enough. For us, it is entertaining people through a film that we've made.
देखा जाए तो
I think, if I'm not mistaken, Dubai में.
Dubai.
23 तारीख को. 22,
23,
22nd. 23rd it releases in Dubai, 22nd is the premiere in Dubai, because आ जाना दुबई.
अपनी
अभी तो डिस्काउंट भी मिल रहा है समर का, तो आ जा वहाँ पे.
अनुराग पांडे.
हाय राज.
माइक्रोफोन दो ना यार, माइक
विजय,
क्यों नहीं
माइक
दे रहे इनको? नहीं कोई बात कैसे नहीं यार, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है यार, पिक्चर पांडे.
मेरा बेटा
रुक
बैठा है,
जाना एक
वापस बोलना पड़ेगा तुझे.
जी बोलूंगा, जरूर बोलूंगा.
सर
इनको माइक दे दो, फिर मैं पिक्चर पांडे तेरे पास आ रहा हूँ.
जी
तुम दोनों ने सेम शर्ट पहनी हुई है. Similar.
Since you guys are all going to miss each other so much, why isn't there any thought about a sequel?
ये तो खत्म हो जाए ना दोस्त, एक तो कर लेना यार.
My last question for Sonu. Farah was looking for someone else because she finally cast you because of your body. So did she use you in the film, your body?
Bati?
I'm sorry, you were casting someone else, and then
Yes.
you said he looked very short.
I thought you
and
said, did I use him like... No.
I mean in the film.
I remember when I just got to know about it. I called Farah from Bangkok. He said, you know, I got to know that you are still looking out for a role. He said, body कैसी लग रही तेरी अभी? तो मैंने बोला यार अच्छी है. Picture भेज अभी. So immediately I mailed the pictures to Farah. She said अच्छी है. And I think that was the first.
See, actually his role demands like a...
And I just want to tell you, मुझे अभी मालूम पड़ा. Bharti, good you ask this question because अभी मुझे मालूम पड़ा. She sent the same messages to all of us. Body कैसी है तेरी? और हम सब ने बोला अच्छी है. And she approved all the bodies, different types, and cast us in the film. सिर्फ दीपिका से उसने नहीं पूछा. हम सब से पूछा था. We have all been very exploited in this film, really.
Last question.
Manvi, you have said that 4 times.
हाँ, मगर तो बोलती रहे और ये लोग पूछते रहेंगे. फिक्र मत कर.
ओके. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का हर इंसान की जिंदगी में मतलब अलग अलग होता है. विवान चुपचाप बैठे हुए हैं, सोनू, अभिषेक. आपके हिसाब से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपकी जिंदगी में कैसा?
पहले अपनी पिक्चर पाने वाली आवाज में बात करना.
हाँ, वैसे बोलना.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
ओके, फराह के बेटे के लिए पिक्चर पांडे.
क्या बात है ये?
अरे प्लीज मेरा आंसर.
अरे हाँ, वो पहले
बच्चे का करना.
अच्छा हाँ, प्लीज.
छोटी बच्ची है.
Yeah. So I'll finish all the answers with Picture Pandey, and then I will dance with you. Yeah. What's your name, baby? Okay. Yes.
Then don't you want Abhishek to dance with you?
Yeah, most certainly. We'll do a little dance after I finish with
बोलो.
you.
अब तो तूने पोल खोल दी है कि मैं रात को देखो फोन करती हूँ.
Thank you.
माइक तो दो उसको वापस माइक क्यों ले
Mandvi
लिया
has,
मांडवी
Mandvi has taken away all the mics.
हाँ सुनो,
जी प्लीज अगेन
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में, क्योंकि देखिए अभी तो 300 करोड़ बनने वाले हैं, उसके बाद तो आप लोग बात करेंगे ही और प्रमोशन में जाएंगे। उसके पहले मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, आते लोगों का काम कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर, कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपके हिसाब से कब बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहा?
मेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हैप्पी न्यू ईयर यही रहा है। बड़े साल से इंतजार था कि कब ऐसा साल हो, बट आई थिंक ऑल थैंक्स टू फारा एंड शाहरुख हु गेव मी द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ईयर ऑफ माय लाइफ।
अभिषेक सेम क्वेश्चन।
What was the question? हाँ. Well, I'm pretty sure for everybody on this dais that this is going to be a very happy new year. सब लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की है इस फिल्म पे and we're all immensely proud of the film. And जैसे कि शाहरुख ने पहले भी कहा that I don't think anybody wants to let the film go, but it has to be released. And I think it is going to be a happy new year for everybody. And the gentleman over there who asked about why we're releasing on not on New Year, Diwali is the start of a new year, so it is going to be a very happy new year.
दीपिका नो 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 अलग डिफरेंट कुछ दीजिए। अरे
ये क्या है ना, मेरी जो आवाज है उसे निकाल के टोन उसका थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करके अलग अलग आवाज, विवान हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, दीपिका जस्ट डू इट लाइक दैट ना, रेडियो यू कैन एडिट।
अच्छा ऐसा कोई रेजोल्यूशन लिया था जिंदगी में आज तक जो कभी कंप्लीट हुआ है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का?
I don't believe in waiting for New Year's to make a resolution or to change something that I want to about myself or my life. If I believe that I can, I believe that if I want to do something, you do it there and then. You don't wait for New Year's.
शाहरुख, आपने एक बार मुझसे प्रॉमिस किया था हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के समय कि मैं हर साल 4 फिल्में करूंगा, लेकिन आपने नहीं किया। हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं जितनी जल्दी जल्दी फिल्में करें, एंटरटेन करें लोगों को।
मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि एक फिल्म मैं एक साल में ख़त्म कर लूँ। एक तो मेरी वजह से मैं ही कुछ 11 बजे सेट पर पहुंचता हूँ तो सब लेट हो जाते हैं यार, इट्स जस्ट इम्पॉसिबल। आजकल फिल्में इतनी बड़ी हो गई हैं माशाल्लाह, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है और सब जो हैं प्रोफेशनल हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, एक फिल्म एट अ टाइम। 4 तो अब मैं कभी नहीं कर सकूँगा मुझे लगता है, अनलेस पीपल स्टार्ट शूटिंग फिल्म्स इन अबाउट 5 days, which is impossible, or give me a 5-day role. But I'll try my best. I keep on working round the clock, hoping to make more films, but it's impossible. I really want to do a lot of more films, make everyone happy, different kind of films, all of us I'm sure. But थोड़ा professionalism आना बहुत ज़रूरी है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, और उसके लिए मुझे लगता है I think the most important part is actors, directors, producers, technicians do one film at a time. It will make our film industry a much better place. I think internationally also we'll gain a lot more. If we just complete one film, take a little break, get into the next character, next film, with the next director, and then go on. ये 4-5 फिल्मों करने का जो है थोड़ा सिस्टम पुराना हो गया है।
विवान, आप बहुत चुप हैं, कुछ तो बोलो।
उसके पास माइक ही नहीं दिया ये लोग।
We've had such a happy experience doing Happy New Year, and it's given us all so much happiness.
वो सब लोग बोल चुके हैं, कुछ अलग बोलो यार। सब बोल चुके हैं वो लोग।
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा था कि I've always said that the special thing about Shasa and Farah ma'am is that they can bring a smile to anyone's faces. All of us can, everybody can, but no, of course, everyone. I'm saying, no, but I'm saying in particular, Shasa and in particular, Shasa and Farah ma'am can bring a smile to anyone's face. You know, even when on shoot. But all of us, I'm saying in particularly, mainly. Okay, everybody. Baman sir, Farah ma'am, Shasa. Baman sir, Farah ma'am, Shasa, Deepika, Abhishek, and Sonu. All of us. Everybody can bring happiness and bring a smile to everyone's face. So I really think that this film will bring a smile to all your faces.
That's why we don't give him the mic.
Thank you.
I think I've said what I've had to say, and I think everything else will be taken care of. Ask them.
You know, I'll just say, we'll not make this into a conversation piece. I think what she has said, what she felt, every woman here, every woman in the country, every woman around the world feels. All of us feel. We are actors, we are professionals, and you're always going to be in a situation where sometime or the other things are going to be a little different because we are photographed so much. And I think what she said is wonderful. It's fantastic. We all believe in it. Maybe we all the men here, and I speak for all of us, Vivan, Baman sir, myself, Abhishek and Sonu, maybe we've not had the guts to do what she's done, but we believe in it and we support it. But we should not trivialize it. I think for you girls, all the girls sitting here, all the girls everywhere, I think it's an important aspect that we have to respect it. We have to, empowerment and all is a different issue, but we just need to respect each other's individuality and the job we do. And I think, I think what she said is fantastic. And we all, I mean, it's stupid of us to even sit down here and talk about, we stand by it. We have to stand by it. All of us here have to stand by it. And it's amazingly respectful that all of you, whatever I've read, whatever I've heard, because we've all been very busy working here around the clock, all of you, whatever you've said is fantastic, that you stand by something which is kind of wrong. And if we can write it, it'll be wonderful. It's not going to stop. It'll continue. But we should not trivialize it. We should not make it a part of conversation and talk about it. I think it's an important aspect, and we all love her for having done this. And God bless her.
Thank you.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. I love the way your voice goes, though. She's the same girl whose voice I'm loving for you.
Are you from Times Now? The controversial question will start now.
Right now, Times Now should not be doing no shit. Okay, what do you want to ask, darling? I'm going to make you say this 5 times. So your voice completely goes till I can't hear you. Say it again. What do you want to know? Just tell me again. Just keep on saying it. Okay. Well, the marketing and all is a part of the production. Whenever it is done, we will do it. And we'll only be happy to be going wherever we're invited, whatever we have to do. I think everybody is very courteous, very gracious, so is Salman Bhai. And so we love this, that he thought that we should come there. If we have the time and if we have the scope in our marketing thought with Manvi and Manish and everyone, most certainly we'll go there. But if we don't have it, please don't take it personally and wrong that we avoided it. It just needs to be done when it needs to be done. And if our timings and everything match, and I think it's very gracious of Big Boss, Salman and everyone, to talk about our film, talk about Farah's film, talk about our film, and say it's so wonderful, and it's really sweet of everyone.
Thank you.
Ready?
Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Sir, can we...
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, everyone. And can we please hear it for the whole cast one more time, guys? Thank you so much for all your questions. And thank you very much for spending so much time with us. All the audiences who are watching us online, thank you very much for your time. And yeah, Apka, this is the last photo op, guys.
अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे है
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना यारबाज हम चालसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की पूरी टीम के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग कम ऑन गाइस All right, this is for all the press people. Please do not forget to collect your press kits from outside.
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले दिलों के ताले जाने दे उसको जहाँ देते अपनी माँ देते जिसकी भी माँ है
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you.